Behind the noise of missiles and warnings, something quieter is happening. Perhaps a phone call, but not just any phone call, a call that could shape the next phase of the war. Welcome to Times Bixby's War Report, and according to reports, senior leaders from the United States reached out to Israel, and at that too at a very critical moment, with Mr. J.D. Vance speaking directly to the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. And this conversation, it's not routine diplomacy at all. It comes at a time when the region is already on the edge, with missiles being launched, air defenses activated, and tensions with Iran at the peak here. Reports suggest that the focus was clear whether there is a way to open talks with Iran, marking a possible shift from confrontation now to conversation. And yes, at the very same time, Donald Trump has been signaling that some form of communication with Iran may already be happening here. You want the twist? Iran has denied this, stating that there are no direct conversation, negotiation, no formal talk, no confirmed dialogue. And this creates two completely different narratives, one suggesting diplomacy may be underway, the other one rejecting it entirely. And this raises a critical question. A question about what really is happening behind the scenes. Is this the beginning of serious negotiations or simply strategic messaging during the ongoing conflict? Well, past negotiations between the three sides, they have produced limited results, right? With deep disagreement over Iran's nuclear program, sanctions, in fact, their regional influence remaining unresolved. In the meantime, the battlefield has now slowed down. Strikes continue though, warnings continue. Military readiness, it remains high alert. And this creates a very complex situation where diplomacy is being discussed while conflict that still unfolds in the real time. For Israel, the decision is very important, whether to continue strong military action or explore a path towards negotiation. And for the US here, the challenge is equally significant, balancing support for its ally while attempting to prevent a wider regional war. And on the other hand, let's flip the coin. Iran continues to maintain a firm public stance here. Well, the world is watching closely, as any moment towards talks, it could change the direction of the entire conflict. However, if these efforts they fail, then the risk of further escalation it remains high. This moment it sits between war and diplomacy, where a single conversation, ladies and gentlemen, it could influence whether tensions ease or intensify further.